Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to read Battle Report in Evony. Battle reports in Evony provide a detailed overview of the outcome of any fight, knowing whether it was a victory, defeat, or draw, along with key information such as the location, march size, power, and other battle statistics. To access this report, open your mail from the bottom right of the screen, then tap the triple bar button in top left just below the back button. Here, you'll see several main categories including announcements, main reports, and PvP reports. For battle details, head into the PvP reports section where you can review losses, scout results, and other relevant fight data. Depending on what you want to analyze, you can explore other report types across the system to see different battle outcomes, troop performances, and defense stats. By regularly checking these reports, you can make better strategic decisions and improve your attacks in future battles. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.